Have you ever wondered why cracking your neck feels so satisfying? Most people think it's completely harmless, but that's not always the case. So, what's really happening when your neck pops? I'll show you. But first, if you're on the side of the angels, make sure to like the video and subscribe. And if not, then maybe you're cheering for the demon. Share this video to show your support for the angels, and leave a heart in the comments if you're Team Angel. The popping sound comes from tiny gas bubbles collapsing inside the fluid that lubricates your joints. While occasional neck cracking is usually harmless, forcing it too hard or too often can strain the surrounding tissues and, in rare cases, damage blood vessels, leading to serious complications.